Real estate agents, if your Instagram profile can't grab a lead's attention in 5 seconds, then you're leaving money on the table.
Stick around because we're about to share 5 must profile elements that turn casual scrollers into serious clients. So, first off, you're going to need a clear brand centric handle and name. So, why is that important? Your handle, like the at username, and the name fields are both searchable on Instagram. If someone searches real estate and your city, a clear handle and name helps you appear in search results.
And what to do? You want to keep the handle concise and descriptive. Example is if your name's John Smith, you're going to have at John Smith Realtor or at your city name real estate, something that says what you do and where you are. Um, and then use the name field to emphasize your specialty. So again, John Smith and then slash your city realtor.
Yeah, you want to avoid like unnecessary special characters or underscores that make your handle hard to remember or tell people.
Yeah, and I think that's that a lot of people don't realize that they want to keep like the keywords that they want in it, say it's already taken, and then throw in all the little different characters to make it their own, and then it's really is hard to find again.
Especially if you're telling someone in person, you're like, Tampa Realtor 2 or something like that. It
Yeah,
doesn't
you'd
have
be really is it number two? Is it TOO, TWO? Yeah.
exactly.
All right. So you're also going to want to have, a professional profile photo. And why that's important is your profile photo is your digital handshake. People will decide if you're trustworthy or not in a split second.
So, how to do it right? You use a high resolution, well lit headshot or professional logo. If you offer a headshot, maintain eye contact and keep the background clean. And it's also important to stay consistent across all the social media platforms so your personal brand is instantly recognizable.
And another tip would be to, test how it looks on your phone. And most people can see the profile picture, can they see it on the small screen?
Next, you need a compelling bio with a clear call to action. It's important, like in a few seconds, visitors to know exactly who you are, what you offer, and why should they follow or contact you.
And some of the things that you should include are, who you are, licensed realtor in whatever location. What do you do? I'm helping first time home buyers find their dream homes. And then why are you different? Any unique selling points if you're an expert in a certain area or lakefront homes or you're a cat lover, whatever it is, make it, this is where you put it. And then your call to action, which is your CTA, which is DM me for any listings or click on the link in bio, to schedule an appointment, something like that.
Yeah, and it's important to use strategic keywords like real estate agent or your city name to boost discoverability.
All right. Organized story highlights with on brand cover and why it's important. Highlights live at the top of your profile and act like a quick portfolio for potential followers.
Yeah, so you want these kind of highlights like listings, group your existing listing stories so potential buyers can browse them quickly. Testimonials, maybe if you collect past story posts or client reviews, you need an about me section, behind the scenes look or short intro reel so people learn who you are, and neighborhoods, so you have content showing local hotspots, keep them organized for easy access.
And another tip would be use consistent cover icons or graphics to reinforce your branding. Same color palette or style as your profile photo.
It's important to also have a strategic link in your bio.
And some options would be to have a direct link to your website, a dedicated page with the real estate services, contact info, and or listings, a link aggregator, like Linktree or Beacon's link that we use. Great if you have multiple offers like a home buyer's guide or a free consultation booking or a webinar, anything that you want to put out there for them.
Yeah, it's very important to make sure your link is mobile friendly. And it leads to a page with call to actions, ensuring big, easy to click buttons.
Thank you and hope this helps. Definitely drop us your Instagram handle in either the comments or send us a DM and we'll take a quick look at it, give it little audit and see if there's any changes that needs to be made. Thank you.
Thank you, and make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in AI and automation, we have a free webinar in the description.